wondering why I've started on a new game. That is because I've got to show you guys something. Look, night 3. I actually finally, after a really long time, made it past the second night. Now night 3 things start getting real, I think it was this night that things start getting real, so I'm going to do this night with you guys. I was on my 4th night first, but then I, for some reason, started a new game. So yeah. Oh, nice. They've already moved? What? Okay, I'm just going to turn my volume down a bit. There! Maybe up to 1, 2, there we go. So, still got volume.
Hey, you're doing great. Most people don't last this long. I mean, you know, they usually move on to other things by now. I'm not implying that they died.
Chica's already moved, and it's literally 12 AM, and she's already moved.
Things are getting real tonight.
Yep, things.
Hey, listen, I had an idea. If you happen to get caught and want to avoid getting stuck into a Freddy suit, try playing dead. You know, go.
Yeah, how's that gonna help?
Then there's a chance that maybe they'll think that you're an empty costume instead. Then again, if they think you're an empty costume, they might try to stuff a metal skeleton into you. Wonder how that would work.
That was so.
Yeah, never mind. Scratch that.
There we go.
That's just not to get caught. Okay, I'll leave you to it. See you on the flip side.
Okay. That's Chica. That's the yellow chicken one. Oh wait, guys. I just better move this. There we go, like that. Oh, there's Chica. Why is she so dull? Okay, the bunny's not gone. The bunny's not. Oh God! God, she's a speedy chicken. Still there? Still there. Still there? Still there. Please. Oh, didn't mean to do that. Still there? Good, you're still there. Okay, she's not moving. She's a very speedy chicken, but she's not moving. I'm just gonna keep checking my. What the heck? Oh! Cool! She just moved to there. Okay. Chica still there? Yep, she's still there. But let me check if Freddy's gone. Oh God, they're all gone. Look, Freddy's gone. Where is he? I do not trust Freddy. I don't trust him. When he comes to this door here, the left door. He only comes to the left door. Okay, 4 AM. I'm doing good. I've not got that much power left because I kept the door closed. Okay, I'm doing okay actually. I was doing perfectly fine until Bonnie came ahead and ruined it all. Okay, why is it just stuck on his face? That is kind of distracting. So, if Bonnie didn't do that, maybe I would have been able to make it past the whole night. And then I would have been just stuck on the 4th night. Because that is when Freddy really starts to move. So, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and bye!